Hello, welcome to the Unzip Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to install the Zktime.net software, where to download it and how to activate its license. To download it, open the browser and then enter Zkteco official website. Zkteco.in. It is the official website page. We will first register here. On the register, submit all the details like the name, password, phone number and email address. To verify the email address, click on the Get Code. After verifying the email address, click on the Register button. I have already registered. I will log in directly. Here in the login page, enter your register email address and password. After that, click on the Agree button, then log in. Log in done successfully. Now go to the search bar and enter Zktime.net, then click on it to download the file. While downloading the file, I will tell you the quick introduction of the software. Zktime.net is the desktop-based software in which you can connect the time attendance machines. Windows version 7 or above and minimum 4 GB RAM, 32-bit operation system configuration required to run this software on your computer or laptop. So here the file download is done. Then we'll go to the file location, right-click, then extract the zip file. After the file is extracted, here click on the setup. Here you can change the language. So I keep it in English, then OK. I accept the agreement, then Next, then select the file location for installation. You can click on the Browse and change the installation path if you want. Next. Next. Now Zktime software is installing. It took some time. Click on the Finished software. We have installed the software. You can see the software shortcut is created on the desktop. Here it is showing an update list. Then update it. After that, start software. Then before logging in, we need to enter the username, password and email address. So here I am entering the login details. Then registered email address. After registering, this is the software home page. To activate the license, we have to go to the settings. After going to the settings, click on the license. You can add 5 devices and 1000 employees or users in the trial version. After taking a license, you can add up to 50 devices and 2000 employees or users. Here you can take 2 types of license, online or offline license key. I have an online license key available. If you don't have it, then connect with your dealer. They will provide you with an online license key. Before doing an online register, you have to enter your company name. After that, enter the country name. Then enter the email address. These are the 3 mandatory fields. You can enter the city, address, industry, and contacts. Click on Register Online and then Open. Permission allowed. Now your license will be activated. If you want an offline license, then here you see the Generate UPK file. After generating an UPK file, provide that UPK file to your dealer. The dealer will provide you offline license key. Then after clicking on the register, then click on the file, then register offline. That's all for today's video. In the next video, I will tell you how to add a device, how to add an employee, how to generate a shift ascent, and how to generate a report. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Unzip Solutions. Thank you.